Guys, so welcome back to another video of AJ classes. So today we are going to discuss the topic vector space, which is an important part of the BSc SSC subjects. So first we know the definition of vector space. What is vector space? So it is denoted as V, and V is a vector space. V is a vector space only when there are three conditions: that if it is non-empty. What is V? V is the set of all the numbers or two-dimensional vectors. V is the summation of vectors and it will be a vector space. The first condition, if it is non-empty. The second condition, if it follows 11 properties. So what are the 11 properties? The 11 properties are: the first one is there are 5 addition properties, then 5 multiplication properties, and one the property that is distributive property. One distributive. So the 5 addition properties are: first one is closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity, and additive inverse. These are the 5 properties of addition. If a function or a vector set for satisfy these properties of addition, similar the properties of same multiplication, that closure property of multiplication, commutative property, associative property, multiplicative identity, and multiplicative inverse, then this will called as a vector space. And the closure property means what? The closure property, if how will you show that if it is satisfies the closure property or not, that you have to show that if U and V are two vector spaces. Means if you are taking that U and V addition, that first one is if you are taking that U plus V, and that will also belongs to R. Let if U and V belongs to R plus, then you have to prove that U plus V also belongs to R plus. This is the closure property. Then the commutative property, that's U plus V is equal to that V plus U. In associative property, that U plus V plus W is equal to U plus V plus W, the same. Then number 4, there exists an element in R plus such that, let the element is X, that U plus X is equal to X plus U is equal to U. Means if you add that number with the vector space, you will get the same result. And this is for what? The additive identity. And the 5th one is the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse? There exists an element X such that if you multiply that U into 1 by X, that you will get the answer 1. In that case, the 1 by U or 1 by X is the multiplicative inverse of multiplicative inverse of that function. And the additive inverse will be that if you multiply that U plus X will give you 0. This will form your additive inverse. So these are all the properties. If a function satisfies these properties, that will be a vector space. To solve viewing the problem, go to the playlist of the SCC BSc playlist and see the videos. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe this channel.